Hello, everyone. Ready to learn English the real way? Today, Lily is going to the library, and nothing goes as planned. From asking for directions at the bus stop to getting her card rejected, setting off a phone alarm in total silence, jamming the printer, and posting a book in the wrong slot. We will see and learn in the fun and practical way. So, let's begin. Excuse me, does the bus go to Central Library come from here?
Does the bus go to Central Library come from here? That's two questions in one sentence. You'd pick one. Either, does the bus to Central Library stop here, or which bus goes to Central Library? You can't join both into the same sentence like that.
Which bus goes to Central Library?
The number 12 should be here in about 3 minutes.
Thank you. And does it stop directly in front of the library?
One stop past the town hall. It's about a 2-minute walk from there.
Perfect. I appreciate it.
I can't believe she actually said that to the manager.
I know, right? It was hilarious.
We almost missed it.
I was searching my card.
Looking for. You'd say, I was looking for my card. Searching needs an object after it, searching something, or searching a bag. On its own, searching sounds incomplete.
I was looking for my card.
Yeah, that's good.
Thank you so much for your corrections.
That's fine. No worries. Best of luck.
Hello. Good morning. I am looking for the place where I can get a library card.
We keep our voices down in here.
Oh, I am sorry. I did not know it is prohibited to talk.
Not prohibited. That's a strong word. Prohibited means officially forbidden, like smoking or photography. This is just quiet. We say, keep your voice down, or we ask that you speak quietly. Nobody is forbidden from talking.
I understand. I will keep my voice down.
Exactly that. The registration desk is just here.
Thank you so much.
Mine pleasure. Just go that side. You will find registration desk.
I really appreciate your help with this.
My pleasure, no worries.
Hello. I need to register a card for myself.
If you fill this in, I can get your card set up. Name, address, date of birth, email if you have one.
Of course. Thank you.
Signature on that last line, please.
There we are. Thank you.
Your address, you've put it in the name field.
Oh no, I am sorry. I am confusing.
Confused. You're confused, not confusing. Confusing describes something that causes confusion. A confusing form, a confusing question. Confused describes how you feel. I am confused because the form confused me.
I am confused.
Perfectly understandable. The fields are quite small. Do you have a form of ID, a passport, driving license, or a utility bill with your address on it?
I have my passport.
This is a foreign passport. That's completely fine, but I'll also need a proof of address. Something with your current address on it. A letter, a bank statement, a bill, etc.
I didn't bring one. I didn't know it was needed.
Required. I didn't know it was required. Needed works in conversation, but for official things, documents, forms, registration, required is more appropriate.
I didn't know it was required. Can I bring it another day?
Absolutely. I'll save your form, come back with the proof of address, and the card will be ready in minutes.
Thank you. And I can still use the library today.
Of course, you just can't borrow books until the card is processed. Everything else, reading, computers, study spaces, is open to you.
Okay, thank you so much. Excuse me, where is the novels department?
Section. Libraries have sections, not departments. Departments are for stores, hospitals, universities. Here, it's the fiction section, the reference section, the children's section.
Where is the fiction section?
This one. You're already in it.
And nonfiction? What is the difference?
Fiction is invented. Novels, stories, things that didn't happen. Nonfiction is real. History, biography, science, true events.
So everything in this section, someone imagined it?
Exactly. Aisle 4 is nonfiction if you want the real world.
Okay, got it. Oh, I am sorry. I sincerely apologize for the disturbance.
Sorry about that is more natural.
Sorry, what?
What you said, I sincerely apologize for the disturbance. It's not wrong, but it's very formal, like a press statement. For a phone alarm in the library, you just say, sorry about that, or sorry, my fault. Casual situation, casual apology.
Sorry about that?
Also, might be worth turning it off, or silent.
I put it on silent.
Silent. I put it on silent, not silence.
I put it on silent. What does this sticker mean?
It means you can read it here, but you can't take it out. It stays in the library. There should be a sticker on the spine.
I want to borrow it to my home.
Borrow it or take it home. Not both together. Borrow it to my home isn't natural. You just say, I want to borrow it, and everyone understands you mean to take it home. Or you say, I want to take it home. One or the other.
I want to borrow it, but I cannot.
Not that one, but there's probably a regular copy. Check the catalog computer. End of this aisle.
Thank you for your help. Excuse me, the machine is blocked.
Jammed. The printer is jammed, not blocked. Blocked is for roads, pipes, drains, when a passage is obstructed. Printers get jammed. The paper gets stuck inside the mechanism. Different word for a different problem.
The printer is jammed.
Happens about 3 times a day with this one.
Can you do it printed again from the computer?
Reprint. You'd say, can you reprint it? Or can I print it again? Do it printed isn't a natural construction. The verb you want is print or reprint, which means print once more.
Can I reprint it from my computer?
Go ahead. It should go through now.
Thanks a lot.
No problem at all.
Hey, you came back.
I had the document.
Perfect. Your library card. You can borrow up to 8 items at a time. Standard loan period is 3 weeks. You can renew online if you need more time.
8 books for 3 weeks.
Or DVDs, audiobooks, most formats count. Reference items stay in the building as always.
Thank you very much.
That one's the DVD slot. Books go in the left one.
Oh, all these slots look same.
The same. You need the before same in English. They all look the same. Same almost always needs a determiner in front of it. The same, exactly the same, all the same. On its own, it sounds incomplete.
They all look the same.
They do. You get used to it.
Which one is for the books that are only for reading here, the reference ones?
Those don't go in the drop box. Those you hand back to the desk.
Of course, they cannot leave the building.
Now you've got it.
Thank you so much. Now I got my card. Finally.
She had needed a library card. She came back with a card, a book, and new phrases. She learned that libraries have sections, not departments. That confusion describes the feeling, not the person who causes it. That prohibited is a strong word for a quiet room. That printers jam and roads block, and neither is the other. The library taught her so much new things. Make sure to subscribe this channel to be a part of Lily's journey.